Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Hey, I'm looking at these two bean-to-cup espresso machines, the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the Miele CM 5300. What are your thoughts?
Okay, let's dive in. First off, the Miele is significantly more expensive, right? Like almost 3 times the price of the De'Longhi.
Yeah, that's a big difference. Is the Miele really worth the extra cash?
Well, it depends. The Miele boasts a one-touch for 2 feature, meaning you can brew 2 drinks simultaneously. The De'Longhi doesn't have that. Also, the Miele comes with a coffee pot.
That's convenient. What about the grinders? I'm picky about the grind.
Both have built-in conical burr grinders, which is good. The De'Longhi has 13 settings, but the Miele claims an aroma-preserving grinder, which sounds fancy.
Okay, aroma-preserving sounds good. What about cleaning? I hate cleaning coffee machines.
The Miele has comfort clean, meaning many parts are dishwasher safe, and it automatically cleans the milk pipework after each milk-based drink. The De'Longhi also has removable, dishwasher-safe parts, but doesn't mention automatic milk cleaning.
That automatic cleaning on the Miele sounds amazing. What about size and weight?
The Miele is a bit bigger and heavier, weighing in at 25.1 pounds compared to the De'Longhi's 20.8 pounds. Dimension-wise, the Miele is slightly deeper and wider, but roughly the same height.
Okay, so a bit bulkier. What kind of drinks can each make?
The De'Longhi offers 6 one-touch recipes: espresso, coffee, Americano, iced coffee, long, and steam. The Miele offers a broader range, from coffee and espresso to latte macchiato and hot milk.
Alright, so Miele seems to have more features and automatic cleaning, but it's much pricier and a bit bigger. The De'Longhi is simpler but still offers a good range of drinks.
Exactly. It really comes down to your budget and how much you value those extra features like the one-touch for 2 and automatic milk cleaning. Also, the Miele has more user reviews, although the rating is only 3.6 stars. The De'Longhi is renewed, so no ratings are available.
Okay, thanks. That helps a lot. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.